Good afternoon, Mr. Fufana. Good afternoon, Musa and Mr. Ja, and good afternoon, colleagues. It's a pleasure that my colleagues decided me to represent the whole DRS staff to give my vote of thanks and our conclusion of what the program was all about. First of all, we must admit that it was a successful session. Unfortunately, the duration is very short, but at least, like you always said, it's not about the quantity but the quality. And then personally, and I believe my colleagues as well have learned a lot from it because it was very interesting. I had the opportunity of doing spreadsheet some years ago because I was a secretary, so I had the opportunity to go through some training on spreadsheet. But what I have learned here definitely has widened my understanding and my knowledge as well. And I want to take this opportunity to thank my GRA management from the Commissioner General and the entire management staff for bringing us here to enhance our knowledge on Excel. It was very interesting. I want to thank everyone that this is just the beginning of everything. And I hope that we'll meet another day, another time, somewhere, even here or somewhere different, to have a more understanding and more knowledge expansion on this. And I appeal to my colleagues as well. We use this opportunity to share knowledge with the rest that are back in the office and to also utilize and implement what we have learned. And then because nothing is too small as far as knowledge is concerned, and we keep learning by the day. I have been telling Tuti, when we go back to the office, we'll come back together and teach we integrate what we have learned and gathered here. I will not do justice, but I will also say thank you to our colleagues here. I was a staff of civil aviation, and I know this face and I know that face. So it's good to be back again and meet in this room, and I hope we'll continue to be in touch because it's an opportunity wherever we meet. We collaborate and network for tomorrow because I never knew I would be in this kind of room with someone like Bintu. And I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone for coming. I have one suggestion about the food. It was good, but I think it's good we improve on what was supplied.